Namaskar. Om Shanti. Being my first Diwali in Brazil, it gives me great joy to join the celebrations with the brothers and sisters of Brahma Kumari. Thank you for inviting me to be part of the celebrations. As some of you know, I have recently taken over as the ambassador in mid-September, and since then I have had the pleasure of meeting the sisters and brothers of Brahma Kumari both in Salvador and also in Sao Paulo. On this occasion, I would like to begin by complimenting the distinguished sisters and brothers of Brahma Kumari on the significant contribution they have made over the past 77 years. Indeed, it is remarkable that today, when we are talking of women's empowerment, the founder of Brahma Kumaris, Prajapata Brahma Baba, he decided to put women in the forefront of the movement, which has led to the Brahma Kumaris becoming a million strong, spread in over 100 countries, and has emerged as indeed a voice for the empowerment of the women. Today, the Brahma Kumaris have also become a beacon of hope for all those women in the world who are waiting to be empowered. Diwali is a festival of lights which heralds the triumph of good over evil. The word signifies an array of light. It is a celebration to welcome the return of Lord Rama along with Sita from a 14-year-long exile after vanquishing the demon king Ravana by lighting the kingdom with lamps. Indeed, it is an occasion to reflect, and the joy emanates not only from his return, but also it is an occasion to remind us that truth will always triumph over falsehood and goodness will always win over evil. It is a time also to give and forgive. It is common for people during the period of Diwali to share their joy, to share their wealth, and to buy and give new clothes and other new items to others. And it is also an occasion to forget and forgive the differences which have emanated in the past. The Diwali celebrations are spread over 5 days, with each day having its own significance. The first day is called Dhanteras. It marks the official beginning of Diwali. It is considered to be auspicious to buy some form of metal, and we light a lamp with all the 4 wicks indicating the 4 directions so that prosperity may come to you from all directions. And since 2016, we are also celebrating this day as the National Ayurveda Day. The second day is called Choti Diwali. On this day, people apply oil to their bodies before taking an early bath, and the reason we do this is believed to be to promote a culture of discipline and activity. Discipline that you get up early in the morning and you apply oil, and activity that you also become active from the time sun rises. The third day is the day of the main Diwali festival. In the evening, the lamps are lit, the streets and buildings are beautifully lit, and this is indeed the day when it becomes a festival of joy, of lights, of brightness, and of happiness. And it is also believed that this day, the new year starts bringing in prosperity for all. The fourth day is celebrated as the Vishwakarma Day. On this day, people worship their instruments, their arms and machinery, and this is done to remind us of all that which brought us prosperity and good health over the years. The last day is celebrated as Bhai Dooj, when the sisters pray for the long and healthy life of the brothers. This is again to reinforce the bonds between the members of the family. The lights of Diwali also symbolize illuminating one's inner self to fill the heart with love. I would like to conclude by saying that let us imbibe the spirit of Diwali and embrace the practice of forgiveness and forget and celebrate life with peace and love. Namaskar. Om Shanti. Thank you.